Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another exciting video session. This is Andrew from Advanced-PCs. Okay, so today I want to make we're going to do a video about a nifty tool called CCleaner, and this is part of it's a free tool that you could use pretty much to kind of like speed up your computer. In the event that your computer is like really slow and you're just like, oh my gosh, this is one of the things that we do for when we're working with our clients in terms of optimizing their computer systems. I've made a video about CCleaner before in the past, but I wanted to do a 2018 version. Things have changed, the application have changed a little bit, the interface. So before getting into actually using the app or the software, let me show you how where you would go to actually download it, like get access to it. Okay. As soon as our sites load up here, I'm going to try to do this, as fast as possible. Oops. Okay. Now you just want to go out to Google. Okay. And you want to do a search for, CCleaner. Did I have a typo? All right, no worries. Okay. Instead of going to the actual site itself, like CCleaner.com, just click here on the free CCleaner download, which will take you directly to where you could just download it from the site. Okay. Now there are different options that you could choose from. You could choose professional, you could choose professional plus, but these guys come at a cost. So the professional is $20, the professional plus is $40. But for demonstration purposes, we're just going to be working with the free version, okay? Which kind of like gets the job done pretty well. Oops, I didn't need to really hit the download, but go ahead and click the download and start the download itself. I've already installed it, so I don't need to go through this process. So but just go ahead and save that application there. But I'm going to cancel out of that and I'm going to minimize. Now this is the executable to do the actual installation. So once you're done, just accept all the default settings when going through the installation process. Okay, so at the end of the installation, it's gonna prompt you to open the application. Now, of course, just go ahead and click on yes there. Okay. Now, I just ran it a couple of minutes ago. So the actual analysis, I'm going to try to do it again. Hopefully it doesn't take too long to actually complete the analysis and running the cleaner and all that good stuff. All right, so just go ahead and click on analyze. And yes, if you happen to still have any web browser open, you'll need to close that. It'll need to close that before it can complete the actual process. Okay, so here we have like 37 megs to be removed. And it's gonna give you like a quick report as to like what it's gonna remove and all that good stuff. Okay, go ahead and once you've gone through that, run the cleaner. And it's going to give you a message to say, hey, the selected files will be deleted from your C drive. Are you sure you want to do this? Just say yes, continue. Now, hopefully this doesn't take too long, but for the sake of time, I'll be right back once it's completed. Okay, so that took a little bit of, probably about like 3 minutes to actually run the cleaner. So depending on how much stuff it has to clean out, it'll take a little, the time will be dependent upon that. So just go ahead. The cleaning has completed, and you could look at the report. Pretty much what it showed you in the analysis of what it was going to remove from the computer. This is the report of what is actually done. Okay, so the next step in the process is the registry. Now with the registry, you want to be a little bit careful with the registry, because this is kind of like like the internal components, like your internal like organs and all that stuff for your body, but it's for the operating system. So you want to be careful with like messing with the files here. one of the things. So just keep it basic. I was just thinking of something else I wanted to tell you guys, but yeah, just keep it basic. Everything that's pretty much kind of like checked off here, just keep it as default. You really don't want to tamper too much with the registry. Okay, so it's going to scan issues, and like I said, I just did this like a couple of minutes ago, so my scan shouldn't really take that long. Probably less than a minute. Hopefully it doesn't turn me into a liar. All right, cool. There we go. All right, so scan for changes or scan for issues, and then it's gonna fix selected issues. Okay, now do you want to do a backup of the registry? Now this one you want to be careful. You do want to make like a backup of the registry just in case, like, the clean doesn't go through or something. Then you could revert back to what the changes were, or prior to the changes taking effect, right? So always back up your registry. So I would say yes for this one. Okay, now put it somewhere. Let's do a desktop. Put it somewhere. Let's do like a registry backup. This is what I usually would call it. That it's not going to be readily accessible. So this is not the greatest of examples. So I just saved a backup of the registry to the desktop. Okay. If you're not too comfortable with this, I mean, just let me know. I could probably help you with it, like hide it, put it somewhere else that you can find it. But anyways, once you've made a backup of the registry, just go ahead and click, fix all selected issues, and good. All right, so that's done. And you could run this a couple of times, to see if it finds any more issues. Go ahead and click on close. Those are the two that I'll just give as a demonstration for this utility. Now, if you want to, let me also mention this part. If you want to keep this, keep the application running on your computer, it can cause, I've kind of noticed it tends to cause like some issues, because it's monitoring any kind of problems that may come up, and you start getting some prompts here, like in this little region, from CCleaner to say, hey, we've noticed such and such and such, or we've noticed such and such. That tend to be a little bit more problematic in my experience. So after I've used it to do what it needs to do in terms of cleaning out the registry, cleaning up the system, I just remove it from the computer because I don't have a need for it after that. I don't need for it to continuously monitor the computer. You can always go back and re-download or reinstall it again when you're ready to do another session, if that makes sense. Okay. But as usual, like I said, if you have any questions on that, man, just shoot me an email, support@advanced-PCs.com. Or you could, if you're watching this on YouTube, you could just like leave a comment or something, and I'll try to respond to the best of my ability. And like, share with anyone that can benefit from this material. And as usual, guys, thanks so much for watching. This is Andrew again from Advanced-PCs, and at Advanced-PCs, we keep it simple. Take care, guys. Bye.